In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll confidently share your schedule from Outlook on the web and control exactly what others can see or do with it. First, open your browser and head to outlook.live.com. This brings you to Outlook on the web. Once your mailbox loads, look for the calendar icon. It's usually on the left side of the screen in the app bar. Click it set to switch from mail to calendar. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your calendar grid and the toolbar along the top. At the top of the calendar view, select the Share option. This opens a panel or window where you manage who gets access and what they can do. If you have more than one calendar, you'll be prompted to choose which one you want to share. Pick the calendar that holds the events you want others to see. Your main calendar is often the one named Calendar, but choose any you've created for specific projects or teams. Next, enter the email address or the contact name of the person you want to share with. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. You can add more than one person here if you're sharing with a group. Take a second to double check spelling so the invitation goes to the right person. Now choose the permission level. This is important. If you only want people to know when you're free or busy, pick the option that shows availability only. If you want them to see event titles and locations, choose the level that allows viewing details. For full event information, select the option to view all details. If you need someone to help manage the calendar, choose a level that allows editing. Pick the least permissive level that meets your needs. This keeps your information as private as you want while still making collaboration easy. When everything looks right, click Share. Outlook sends an invitation to the people you listed. They'll get an email with a button to add your calendar, and once they accept, it appears in their calendar list. If you've given view-only access, they'll see what you allowed. If you've granted edit access, they can add or modify events accordingly. A quick tip. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same share area to adjust permissions or remove someone's access. Also remember that private events stay private unless you specifically choose a permission that reveals details. That's it, your calendar is shared and ready for collaboration.